How to manage location privacy settings on Instagram. First of all, open the Instagram app and make sure you are signed in to your account. Next, go to your profile by tapping your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap the menu icon at the top right corner to open settings. From the settings menu, select the story and location option. Then tap on location sharing. This will open the map and asks who can see your location with options for friends, close friends, only these friends and no one. Choose your preferences to maintain your privacy. You can review these settings anytime to update who can see your location. Adjusting your location settings regularly helps keep your account secure and ensures only the people you trust have access. You can also tap the three dots at the top and select Hide From to prevent specific people from seeing your location. Now you know how to manage location privacy settings on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more social media tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.